Listening to one song you can earn $4.80 or even over $5.50, and you can listen to the songs on Spotify, Apple Music, or on YouTube. This works in almost all countries around the world. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to the bwavework.com. bWave is the platform where you can earn over $100 a day listening to music songs. I will leave a link to bWave in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can click that link to come to the homepage of bwavework.com. bWave is an innovative platform that changes the way the world works and provide more opportunities for freelancers like you and me. And the good thing is that you can use it on both your mobile device and on your computer or laptop device. But for our future videos, comment down below the device you use the most and the country you are from, so that I can create more relevant videos for you and others watching from your country. Now, if you are using a laptop or computer device, you just need to open the browser on your device and come over to bwavework.com. And if you use the mobile phone, all you have to do is to open the Chrome browser or Safari browser on your mobile device and search for bWave Work in the search bar. Just click this first link and you will be taken to the bWave Work official website. As you can see, bWave gives you $12 as a sign-up bonus, which is really awesome. Also today, I will be showing you a secret method to earn 10 times more money with bWave. So stay tuned until the end. And if you want me to show my live withdrawal proof from bWave, then help me get over 5,000 likes on this video. Now the first step is to register yourself on bWave. So just tap on the profile icon on bottom right corner and you will be shown two options to register. The registration process is a bit confusing and important, so pay close attention to it. You can directly register and log in using your Gmail account if you want to, or you can just tap on the login with email option from there and then just select create an account option from the bottom of your screen right here. Now on this page, you can enter your email in the first box and then you need to press this get button right here to get the OTP on your email for the email verification. Just enter the OTP received on your email in this box right here. Next, create a strong password for your account and enter the same in this next box to confirm it. And in the referral code, you can enter my referral code, that is 2880009, and then just tap on sign up to register button. Once you sign up, the very first thing you must do is to click on your profile again and go to the account settings option from there. Then I want you to select the withdrawal password option from there. That's gonna take you to this page where I want you to enter your phone number and press this get button again to get the OTP on your number to verify it. After that, just set a 6-digit withdrawal password for your account. Once you earn a good amount of money here, you can easily withdraw it using the withdrawal password you set for it. I suggest you to write down this password on your password notebook or any other safe place so that you can use it whenever you need. Once you set your withdrawal password, you can claim your $12 sign-up bonus from this dollar icon on the bottom. So, to claim your bonus, you just need to tap on this gift icon showing next to account balance. Then just tap this receive button and you will be credited with $12 sign-up bonus to your account for completely free. Now the step number 2 is to start earning money for listening to music songs using bWave. And for this, you can use both the mobile device or the PC device. But it is easy for me to show it on laptop screen, so I am using laptop to show you guys how to make money online with bWave. So the first thing you need to do is to come over to the homepage of bWave. And on the homepage, I want you to scroll down a little bit and you will be shown the town hall where you can find different ways to make money online with bWave, like question and answers, ghostwriting, downloading apps to earn money, etc. But today, I want you to click on the music promotion section from here because we want to earn money listening to music songs. And that's going to show you the Spotify songs to listen to and earn money, YouTube songs to listen and earn money, and different Apple Music songs to listen and earn money online. And you can earn anywhere from 80 cents per songs, $4.80 per songs, or even $5.50 per song listening to music. These are the tasks that you can complete one by one. So if you want, you can listen to all of these music songs one after another and get paid over $100 per day just by listening to songs. But for that, there is a step-by-step process. So first of all, for example, you want to get paid for listening to this song called Birds of Feather on YouTube, for which you will be paid 80 cents. The first step of the process will be to click this get button to get this task to complete. And if you got this offer, this music task will be added to your task list, which you can see from right here. So now you just need to complete this task of listening to YouTube music song and you will get paid for it. So let's open it from there and you will be shown the task details. So as you can see, you just need to open or copy the link below to the YouTube Music app. Save the song to your liked music by giving a like to it, and just submit the screenshot with a proof of having saved it to your liked music. It's that simple. You can even scroll down here to see the task steps shown here. So, as you can see, first you need to copy link or open link from here. Next, you just need to like the music and take a screenshot of it being saved to your liked music. Upload the screenshot to B-Wave task by pressing this submit button. After the task is completed, a specialist will review it. You can clearly view the task completion status in the task list. After passing the specialist review, the task reward will be issued to your available balance. So just like this, you can listen to all of these songs one by one and get paid over $100 per day listening to songs. And you can earn $4.80 per song you listen to, or even more if you listen to high-paying songs. But in the free plan of B-Wave, you can only get paid up to $4 per day. So to earn $100 per day listening to music, you need to go with the higher plans. You can choose any plan you like. The higher plan you choose, the more money you will earn per day. But as a beginner, I would suggest you go with the plan A, because you only need to spend $16 per year for that, which you can just earn in your first day, since you received a $12 reward for new registration and completed a $4 task reward for the day under the free plan. And the good thing with plan A is that you can start to earn over $14 per day using it. When you purchase plan A, you need to deposit a $300 performance bond in the performance bond balance. The performance bond is to ensure the smooth completion of the task, ensure the rights and interests of both parties, and avoid malicious behavior. The performance bond mechanism can increase the seriousness of task execution and avoid task interruption or delay. The deposit system also encourages users to participate seriously and enhance their trust in the platform, thereby maintaining a safe and fair environment. The performance bond is fully refundable. When you withdraw the performance bond, you will not be able to continue to do tasks to earn money. You can continue to do tasks after depositing it again. And now the step number 3 to earn 10 times more money than others fast is to come over to the homepage of B-Wave again. And here in the task hall, you need to select the Q&A section, which is already selected. So here you can find a ton of question and answer tasks where you just need to answer some simple questions about the topic, such as life, or it can be related to finance, or health and fitness, or even about the internet, politics, or the self-improvement. All you have to do is to click on Get Task to get the task, and once approved, you will get the task in your task list. Then you just need to open it from there, and you will be able to see the question or questions you need to answer to get paid. And the good thing is that you can use AI for answering these questions. So all you have to do is to copy-paste these questions from B-Wave to ChatGPT, and the ChatGPT, being one of the best tool in this field, will provide you the best answers for your questions, which you can just copy-paste as it is. But I would suggest you add some of your own thoughts and experiences wherever possible. So just like this, in this Q&A section, you can get paid a lot of money fast, just copy-pasting the questions and answers. The second best way to get paid on B-Wave is to complete the ghostwriting from ghostwriting section. As you can see, here you can get paid anywhere from $50 up to $100 for just submitting a script, blog article, etc. And the good thing is that here also you can take help of the AI like ChatGPT to get the work done. So all you have to do is to click on the Get button to get the task. And once approved, you can complete the ghostwriting task from your task list. The Q&A section and the ghostwriting sections are the highest and fast-paying sections, and are the two best ways to earn money with B-Wave. And now, if you want to earn even more money, what you can do is you tap on the profile section again and tap on the invite friends section. That's going to show your referral QR code and the your referral code, which you can copy by pressing this copy button, or you can directly copy your referral link by pressing the copy link button below it, so that you can share it with your friends and family, and as soon as they register using your link, you will get $6 reward for every successful referral. And now if you want me to show you guys my withdrawal proof from B-Wave, then help me get over 5,000 likes on this video, and I will share my live withdrawal proof in one of the upcoming videos on Cash Pro. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.